Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your profile on the Tellonym application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should click on the this last icon down below. And here you can edit your profile. So if you want to set your profile picture, tap on the this icon at the top. You can either take a picture with your camera or choose one from your gallery. Then if you tap on this sticker button, you can also set a sticker. Tap on the button confirm. And if you click on the edit profile, you can edit your name, your username, you can change your status. Your profile badge can be set to, you can set your gender, your profile color, you can choose your occupation, and then you can add your phone number and social networking sites such as your Snapchat username, Instagram or Twitter usernames. If you are done with all these steps, click on the checkmark icon in the upper right corner to finish this process and save all the changes. After that, you can also send yourself an anonymous tell, and here you can connect your contacts to your profile and share your profile finally by clicking on the share profile button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.